This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss multiple choice questions starting from number 31 of chapter Introduction to Programming in C language. So let's start. Which one of the following is a real constant? Option A, -794.2345. B, 794.2345. C, -794.2345A. Or option D, -941.23457. The right answer is option A. Next number 32. Question is, a dash is actually a name given to a memory location as the data is physically stored inside the computer's memory. Option A, constants. B, variable. C, reserved word. Or D, comments. Right answer is option B, a variable. Next number 33. Question is, the value of A can be changed in a program. Option A, variable. B, constants. C, comments. Or D, none of these. Right answer is option A, variable. Next number 34. Data type of a variable are option A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, or D, 1. Right answer is option A, 3. In C language, 3 data types are there. Next number 35. Question is integer. Data type is used to store float value. B. Signed integer value. C. Integer values. Or D. Real values. So the right answer is option C. Integer values. Next number 36. Question is integer takes up bytes of memory. The options are 2B, 4C, 6, or D, 8. The right answer is option B, 4 in C language. Next number 37. Question is signed integer can be option A, positive value, B, negative value, C, both A and B, or D, none of these. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Next number 38. Question is by default type integer is considered as CHR integer, B, unsigned integer, C, signed integer, or D, float. And the right answer is option C, signed integer. Number 39. Question is the ranges of unsigned integer is form 0 to plus 429 4 967 295. Option B 0 2 2 1 1 2 2 2 2 2. Option C 0 2 plus minus 4 294 967 295. or option D 0 to 429 967 295. Right answer is option A. Next number 40. Question is, dash type is used to store a real number with floating point up to 6 digits of precision. Option A, real data. B, float data. C, integer data. Or option D, character data. Right answer is option B, float data. Next number 41. The question is, the value ranges of floating data point is from option A 4.4 into 10 raised to power minus 38 to 3.4 into 10 raised to the power 38. Option B is (3.4 into 10 raised to the power minus 37 to 3.4 into 10 raised to the power 37. Option C 4.4 to 10 raised to the power minus 38 to 4.4 into 10 raised to the power 38. Option D is 3.4 into 10 raised to the power minus 38 to 3.4 into 10 raised to the power 38. The right answer is option D. Next number 42, the last number of today's video. The question is, some examples of valid variable functions are unsigned integer age, B, float height, C. Integer, salary, or D. All of these. So the right answer is option D, all of these. So in our today's video, we're just wrapping up. We have covered total multiple choice questions starting from number 31 and ended at number 42 of chapter Introduction to Programming in C Programming Language. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.